Across Australia, frontline agencies depend on equipment that must be ready, traceable and trusted. But manual processes, paper-based workflows and ageing systems slow teams down. They create operational risk, compliance gaps and ambiguity when certainty matters most. Hardcat Lebosi delivers speed to outcome, a mature, off-the-shelf capability that gets agencies operational fast, without development risk. Lebosi reduces risk and strengthens compliance. It provides near real-time visibility of firearms movements and equipment status. It eliminates manual processes. It improves data accuracy and auditability. And it's built on a secure, scalable, API-driven architecture. Lebosi is proven in law enforcement and defence environments. It integrates seamlessly with existing police and fire brigade systems, metro and rural. When readiness matters, when accountability matters, when lives depend on the assets you manage, Hardcat Lebosi delivers clarity, confidence and control.